Oh shit. That's a big one. Okay, we got something on a jig head and a piece of shrimp. I think it is. Hello folks, welcome to Action Angling. It's the end of May. We're on this shitty little creek. Post rain, during rain, whatever. I'll just do it as a bottom fishing. See what we can get today on Action Angling. We are hooked up with the first fish of the day.
Gee, my line came flat, eh? I don't know what I got on here.
Looking kind of weird, eh? What is that? Is it? Do you need the net?
Oh,
Sheephead. Oh. Do you want the net? Okay. There's at least one fish in the river.
not bad fish.
Nice.
I had shiners on it.
Oh yeah. Okay, second fish. It's been a long wait. We don't know what it is. It is another sheep. Sheephead run is on. Okay, we got something on a jig head and a piece of shrimp. I think it is. Yeah. That's a pretty good one too. I might need it. There's no way he got snagged. He actually ate it because he hit it 4 times. It is a carp. Right in the mouth.
Take another run on the day.
Yeah. Like corn out there for like 2 hours. And it snagged one carp in the first 10 minutes and that was it. Come on, come this way. Nice. We got something on, another carp. It was swimming right to me. I don't think so. Thought I had something tiny on because it was swimming right to me, but not that it's very big. Well. Sure. Hey, get away from the catfish. You know, I swear it's the jig head here.
Look how orange it is.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Spawning belly. Oh, there we go. A little 2-pound carp. Well, we got like the worst weather conditions, so that's why I'm not filming very much. But my legs feel like I've just been standing in the river the entire day. I didn't bring my rain pants because I'm an idiot. But we're catching some fish. Rick's hooked up. we were flipping a coin to see if we were going to trade spots, but the coin said we should stay here. Oh, that's a big channel cat. Oh no, it isn't. Oh, that's playing tricks for me.
Oh, he swallowed it. Okay. Nice. That's 3 sheep right now. Yeah. Oh, good little fighter. Snowy flop.
Fish is all kinds of messed up. There he goes. Next hooked up.
Not a bad thing.
I'm sleeping on the job over here. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's a sheephead this time. Could be. I had a very distinct feeling when you got that little one we were going to get into some big ones.
I think it is a cat. Just by the way it's dogging.
Yeah.
My drag is tight too.
Good thing I flipped that coin.
Oh, there's thousands of fish in here.
Oh yeah.
There's thousands of them. What is it?
I don't know.
Big carp?
Looked a little
Biting
strange.
like a carp, isn't it?
It is.
It is a carp.
Yeah.
Your line out of the water?
Yeah.
Boy, this is a strong fish, man. Jeez. My drag is cranked right down.
Worms.
That's odd for a carp to slackline you when I got a egg sinker on there.
He just ate it. Post spawn. They're absolute dumbasses in post spawn.
Oh, he's not really that big.
Yeah, it's not humongous. He's
Just a crazy fish.
got that big tall back. He's a male. Angry male. Hey, hey, hey.
Oh, that was a strong one, man.
They're so slimy because of all the algae in the water.
Okay. I think I just woke up. There we go. Good to go?
There we go. Under the catfish.
Okay, let's see if I can use it.
Hooked up. On my ass. Slacklined. Okay. We're in fight position. I don't know. Probably another carp. Oh, it is a cat.
It is, eh? Alright.
Yeah. I kept thinking it. I was like, we're gonna get a bigger one. They're not all gone.
Come home to Papa. Oh, baby.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. Real nice and yellow it is, man.
That's actually for late season. That's a big field.
That's nice.
Just absolutely.
Okay.
Alright. Go for it. Holy cow, this water has dropped like a foot. I have to throw him to get him into 6 inches of water. There we go. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Reel coming loose? They're starting to turn wrong. Low head shakes on this.
Yeah, that's big.
Don't want to come in too easy. Well, I got a bunch of scum with it.
Ooh. Nice.
Oh yeah. That's got to go at least 10, 12.
Yeah, it's a 12 at least.
Oh wow. I like that one.
Oh yeah, I'm filming a video. Nice. Oh shit. That's a big one.
Anyways, the saltwater fish will come up and grab the float, you know, when they got all that sharp teeth and that, right?
Yeah.
Cut your line off.
Yeah, it is. I think that one's bigger. Oh, it's a carp. Big carp.
Is it a carp?
Yeah.
I thought they were like no way on it. Huh. Nothing like the scream of a reel.
I thought for sure that was a catfish when it came up the first time. Post spawn, they need their protein. They're eating meat.
Yep. Feels pretty heavy.
That's a good one. I'll put it down there in a sec.
Like you said, the small ones take off. Like, the small ones run faster than the big ones, eh?
Yeah.
got a hump on his head. See that?
Yeah, that's a male trait.
Strong. Okay, we're gaining.
It's
Look at the
good.
hump on his head.
That's a good one.
Not bad.
It's a 20 pounder.
20? Oh, it is. Look at the scale. Look at
Yeah.
the size of that scale. That's like a toonie size.
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw that in the scale for a Susie. Oh my god. Oh, I step on this rod and break it. We'll bring him over to the mat, Richard.
Yeah.
Sort of out.
I'm curious.
Yeah, good.
33.
33, right there. Okay. Spawned out, eh?
Yeah.
That's a big female.
Yeah. Yeah, it would have been high 20s a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the sunset.
Okay. Still spitting out eggs.
Beauty.
Oh yeah, it's heavy.
Nice.
I didn't want to nosedive it in the mud.
Yeah.
Too heavy of a fish. I think it's nuts.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Oh, shit. Guess what? You're going to Chowdertown. Well, folks, we're packing up in a hurry because there's a gigantic thunderstorm, possible tornado to our left here, so it's been a great day.
Yup.
We got variety, we got big fish, we got chowder fish.